I'm applying a moisturizer first as usual. Applying a lip balm. For foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 228. I'm going to buff this foundation into my skin. I'm also putting it on my eyelids. For the concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade medium. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, forehead and chin. Using the same brush, I'm going to lightly blend it out. Now to set the foundation and the concealer, I'm going to use a compact. I'm going to use this shade in my crease. I'm going to apply it all over my crease. Using this brown shade in the outer V of the eye. I'm going to slightly blend it in my crease. Then I'm using this shimmery shade in the inner lid of the eye. I'm also putting it in the inner corner. And then using this golden shade in the middle of the lid. I'm using this shade on top. I'm using the same blending brush which I used earlier. I'm just blending out the harsh lines. Using a little bit of the brown shade, I'm putting it in the outer V of the eye just to darken it up a little bit more. As this side is looking less golden, I'm just going to apply a little bit golden on this lid. I'm going to use this NYX pencil to fill in my eyebrows. And I'm applying some Kajal on my lower waterline, and I'm also tight lining. Then I'm applying some mascara. applied some false eyelashes too. I'm using this bronzer. Then I applied some blush and some highlighter. I'm also applying little highlighter on my nose, chin and forehead. I'm wiping out the excess lip balm now. I'm using this lip liner in the shade Spice. To finish off, I'm spraying some Fix Plus on my face. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.